Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Of course, it's me, Liza Hazil. And to the returning subscribers, thank you very much for always tuning in. To the new subscribers, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. That will help me. I'll really appreciate. I don't know why I'm talking like this today, but anyway, I'll really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. We are road to 2,000. Eish, we are road to 2,000 subs, guys, and I'll really appreciate if you choose to be part of the journey. And to everyone watching the video, please like the video. That will help push the video to other audiences, and of course, I'll really appreciate it. I just came from running errands and I was like, bro, this house doesn't sit right with me. So I had to do some cleaning. And as usual, I start with the kitchen because most of the times my kitchen is it's not given. And after doing the kitchen, that's when I'm energized to do the other parts of the house. That's why in most of my videos I start with the kitchen, because the kitchen is my most vital part of the house. So yeah, that's why I start with the kitchen. I bought these trousers, the one I'm putting on and this one. But this one seems a little bit big for me. After coming in the house last year, I realized it's for a plus size. And since I'm not a plus size, I'm going to give it away. Either give it away or sell it. Probably sell it because I'm all about money. I love money, and yeah, I bought it, so I'm gonna sell it. I'm not going to give it for free anyway. So yeah, that is it. Oh, when buying, I really liked these other ones that I've not put on, but after reaching the house and I tried them on, I really love the one that I'm putting on. But I just think I don't know what I'll do with the huge one, the plus size one. Maybe I'll make a skirt out of it. I'll just find a way to make it work because, bro, I bought it with money.
a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true.